Hello,
Hey man, how you doing?
I'm good. What about you?
Oh, I'm having a great day. Thanks very much. Been playing with BHuman, so
Yeah.
it's been a very interesting day so far.
Yeah. So, how long have you been using the platform?
One day,
Okay, so
one
you're
day.
are you
Yeah.
facing any problems in using it, or is there anything you don't understand?
Do you know what? So far, it's been pretty straightforward. So, what I've been doing is just so you know, the use case for me
Yeah.
is I'm looking to send automated welcome emails for people that book on a course on AI. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're targeting small businesses, small to medium businesses, which want to incorporate some form of AI and automation into their businesses, but they have no idea where to start. Right. So we're running courses on that. And then obviously that for us is part of the process of gaining new high ticket clients. So I discovered BHuman from a really cool video that I saw online.
Yeah.
And so yesterday I set up an automation using Make, which was genius, frankly. And the only little niggle that I have is there's no Make direct integration yet. I had to go send a pic to Zapier, and I mean I've got Zapier Pro anyway, so it was much of a hassle. But what I needed to have that additional step where I could send some information back to a sheet with the instance ID. So I found one tiny little annoyance which you might be able to solve for me when the bundle comes back to me, when the data of the video comes back. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a bit of a delay in between creating the instance of the video and then pulling it down. I'm just giving it sort of like 20 minutes or so, so it's going to be definitely done.
That's good, actually.
Yeah, and then it's obviously creating the email. The one little niggle that I've got is that the file appears to be the file name is coming as file.bin, which means that I have to then text parse it and change the file name to the file name that I want, which is not a big deal. It's just a couple of wee little steps. But I was wondering if there's a way when I send the initial request for the instance to send a request for the file name to be in the format that I want, .mp3 rather than file.bin. Because obviously if you just pull the file.bin and store it on a Google Drive or whatever, you can't then embed that straight away. You've still got to replace the extension and the file name. So that's probably been my only niggle, other than just sort of figuring out how to make the best video. I've done one, it worked really well, except when I did I went hi name, and then when the video came out, it went hi name.
Yeah, okay.
Tiny little thing right at the beginning, and maybe that's just about me pausing for a moment and just going name.
So did you, when you selected the variable, did you select hi name or only name, the word name?
I believe I selected just the word name, but I'll go back and look at it again and check that I didn't just do something really stupid.
Yeah, so if you just selected name, then your CSV should have only names also, not hi name. In the spreadsheet, you should also have only names. So let's say you selected name as a variable, you should have Sherief, Don, Michael, and so on.
Yeah.
You have hi Sherief, hi Michael, hi David. So maybe that was the issue.
Yeah, and you know what? I'll re-record the video a couple of times. All I'm doing at the moment is testing the infra, because come Monday morning, I want to press the button and I want to be sending these out continuously. Okay.
Do you also have BHuman's YouTube channel? Let me share the link with you.
I've been on it. Yeah.
There's a lot of tips there and tricks and like walkthroughs, but also for your integration. So you're generating videos and you want to send it out by email, right? If I understood correctly.
Yeah.
So why don't you just send it directly using Zapier?
That is a good point. So if I didn't believe that you could do auto send unless you were using a CSV upload.
So how are you pulling your data? From where are you getting the names?
Do you want me to show you?
Yeah, I can show you so I can help you more. Because I believe this whole integration can be done by Zapier alone without having to do it with anything else. But let's anyways.
Okay, well, let's just actually do the window. Let's do that secondary window here. So basically, what I'm going to do is shove that over there, so you should be able to see my screen now. So here's my Make integration. I'm assuming you're fairly, Make.
I don't know it actually, but I think it's the same
Right.
as Zapier. So yeah.
Yeah, very much so. Yeah, it's just a more visual way of doing things. So, firstly, obviously, what we're doing is I'm going to a sheet and I'm checking that. So there's a sign up here that we're making sure that the video exists. So basically, it's already sent the instance. This is the second part of the automation. It's requested an instance, right? And then 20 minutes later, plus maybe 10 minutes, because it'll be on a schedule of half an hour, it will check for videos that are earlier than 30 minutes from now. The video ID exists because we've got that from Zapier. It's been zapped to BHuman. That's just a Boolean. And video retrieved has not been set to the Boolean yes. Okay, so it'll then pull me a video, it'll iterate through, and then it's going to make a request. Obviously, that's the API methods. There's the authorization. Hope that's not going anywhere because that's my API key. Which, do I need to revoke that?
No, it's not going anywhere. Don't worry.
Okay, great, nice. I'm requesting ID. I'm pulling the video ID from my sheet. It's JSON. Yeah. So basically, what I'm getting out of that, as you can see in the bundle, is I'm getting that data, and then obviously I'm looking for that URL, right?
Yeah, but you also have the Vimeo URL, which you can embed directly to your email address, or if you're sending an email, you can just embed the Vimeo link.
Okay, well, that might be worth doing then instead. And then what I'm doing is I'm getting the file, so I'm returning it from the request stage, and then I'm text parsing it. So we've got, because what comes out obviously here is called, the file name is going to be file.bin. There we go, right? And it always seems to be the same, which is fine. But then obviously I'm doing a replacement. I'm replacing with welcome first name underscore last name underscore ID.mp3. I'm dragging the file. I'm dragging that from file name. And then I'm uploading the file. And then what I'm doing is I'm doing the same with the thumbnail. So I'm getting the result of thumbnail, text parsing that, and because that comes as file bin as well. So I'm changing the name of that, uploading that to Google Drive, storing those in my sheet. So then I've got the file ID, the thumbnail ID, etc. And then I'm sleeping for a few minutes just while they get processed up onto my Google Drive. It takes about 2 minutes. So I'm giving it like 5 minutes to just get it processed. And then I'm simply embedding it into a Gmail here. So I've got the href of the web link. I'm using the image source, should be the web view link for the thumbnail, and then there's just a bit more HTML.
Okay, so you did a lot of effort in this automation, obviously, and you did great work. So did you test it? Is it working?
Yeah. Well, the last test, I was just on another call, so this is where I got to. So that should be the last one. Yeah. So it's the video thumbnail's not quite working properly, but it's got that's all working. That's all working. The button's working, and there is my video. And
so it's actually working, and you did a great work since you already uploaded to the drive after. But also there is a simpler way if you want to do it in like 4 steps or something using Zapier. So you can also do it there since we are already integrated into Zapier. So it's going to be easy. Yeah.
Okay, so here I am in my Zap. So what's triggering the Zap is when an updated row occurs on the spreadsheet. So I know a new person's come in, it's pulling it straight from there. It saves me having to do another trigger from Make. It's just simply looking at that sheet. So then it's sending a new video. I'm sending 3 variables: name, location, and date. Location being where the training's been held, and date is the date of it.
So is this campaign that you selected? Is it empty, or did you upload anything there?
No, I think I'm sending it. I'm doing the request by instance.
Yeah, so you should create a campaign and leave it empty in BHuman's platform, so you can use it in Zapier, if that makes sense.
Right.
So you should upload the video, create a new campaign. Let's say, for example, yeah.
Okay, so I'm in there. So if I go to my AI studio and
Yeah,
I
just select the video you want to create, yeah.
create, it's not a video, is it? It's a campaign. So my campaigns. So that's the video. This is the video. I've just been testing it with various different things.
Yeah, but you can't use the same campaign in BHuman and Zapier together. So go to my videos again, or create my videos. So which video are you using? Yeah, that one.
This one, yeah.
Yeah, create.
Right. Just checking it. We've got
Name.
Name there is the variable, and it's still coming up as hi name. So here's a real shame. So if I create new campaign,
Yeah.
campaign name AI workshop. Well,
yeah. Also, if you're still facing the same problem with hi name, you can just re-upload the video again, and I think it's gonna work.
Yeah.
But anyways, let's test it for now. Yeah.
Okay. So when it says industry, is that my industry? I take it.
Yeah, your industry.
So,
what are you using this campaign for?
It's just reaching out to new leads, really. And I'm using the I think I'm using the Zapier one there. So right. Oh, so this is actually I'd have to create a new video here.
Yeah. So
so if I go to source Zapier, right?
Did you create the campaign?
I don't know.
But yeah, so you should leave this campaign empty. Yeah. As it was. Okay.
I just click create campaign.
Yeah. Give it a name. Workshop. Welcome video. Okay. Select the industry.
Select webhook, Zapier one, right?
Yeah. Or you can just leave it empty. It's okay.
Okay. Well, we'll leave it empty now. So we're creating.
Okay. Yeah. Then leave it. Go back to AI Studio if you want to use the.
So just go back here.
Yeah. Just click AI Studio. Yeah. So now you have the campaign empty, so you can use it in Zapier. You can't reuse the campaign twice in Zapier and on the platform. So this one, we're going to leave it empty for Zapier.
Right. So if I go back to Zapier now,
select this campaign. Yeah. You're already connected. So
okay. So I've got the account, and the action is what I need to change. So I'm now going to change it to, what was the one? It was the
welcome
video. I called it the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome video. Okay. Great. So I'm doing welcome video. I've got 3 variables I'm passing in. I'll continue with that. Oh, come on. Okay, so it's sending campaign ID.
Yeah, then add a delay. Let's say 5 minutes delay or 4 minutes. Test step. Yeah. Then add on
before I update the sheet in Google.
Yes, exactly. So the videos are generated. So let's add a delay. No, it's called the delay here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, delay by Zapier. Yes.
Okay, so we're going to go delay for and what's the minimum and maximum? Do we know? Oh, I'll tell you what. Let's just do it for what, 10 minutes?
Okay, yeah. So just select minutes and no, type in the number above in time delayed for value under the action. Okay, so leave this as minutes.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah, go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, go up. No, you didn't enter any. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm with you. Yeah. Let's put 10 minutes in there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
10 minutes. Continue. Okay, great. So that should work. I mean, I can skip the test because it's just a delay.
And then just update. Yeah.
And then it updates the sheet. So
exactly.
What it's going to do now is it's going to send me the it's going to find the row number, and it is going to send the ID back.
Yeah, but here
We now have
It
to change the
should be
capital
the video URL, not the ID.
Ah,
So
okay.
you just
So,
embed it directly. So if you, URL, video URL, yes.
is it that one URL?
Yeah,
Yes.
that one, the video URL.
Video URL. Okay, great. Oops.
Then you can just embed it directly into your email you're sending.
Ah.
Yeah. So now you can just add another step, Gmail or whatever email you're using, and then type in your email with HTML. I'm sure you are familiar with it.
Yeah. Well,
And just find the small snippet code for Vimeo videos embed. So you can add this snippet code and just embed the videos. Let me also share one with you too.
Now the only thing is I want to pass in these other variables from here, so I'm going to need to pull those out as well and store those as variables in Zapier. But okay, so if I then go to Gmail and I change my Gmail, oops, silly boy, I'm going to send an email. Okay, I'm going to use that account. I'm going to continue. I'm going to now then. So I should be able to pull them out straight of here. Email. Brilliant. And insert text. That's CC, that's BCC from me. Okay, let's just use that one for now. From name. Great stuff. Reply to, we'll go to that's aiup.co.uk. And then obviously the subject text, your upcoming AI workshop, and body type is going to be HTML. And I can now that's the wrong one. That's our meet location. So if I just grab that HTML from out of there, I can that'll be much easier, won't it? Okay. So now there's the Calendly link. So now these variables here need to be changed. So that's going to be the location. Now, how the heck do I pass a location variable, that variable in from Gmail? I will need.
So you can also select the GIF, which is generated by BHuman, and also attach your video URL, both. So you can embed them. So you have the video already embedded on your email.
Yeah, but these are coming from Make now, so it's not going to be, that's not quite what I want. So I want the ahref is going to be, and I don't know how to pass in there the information from this sheet here. I'm not huge on Zapier. So do you think I need to pull those and store them as a variable inside of Zapier first?
So actually, you don't know. You can use them directly, but if you're more comfortable in using,
I'm comfortable with it. I just don't know how to pull the variable out of the sheet and embed it.
So you should, if you just click anywhere, so just scroll down, you should be able to insert data. Update sheet row, or
So I'm going to need first name. There it is. So hey, space, I just in there is going to be location. Location in Bradford and that's going to be the variable date.
I just go down.
On the 14th. And I want you to send a personal video. So ahref image source here is now going to be.
So this should be something else. You should find a snippet code for embedding a Vimeo link, not any video. So you should use the GIF for the thumbnail. For the thumbnail, and the video URL for the video itself, for the source video.
To the wrong one there. So the video location, is it?
I think I have one here. Let me check it. Yeah, I have one here.
I think it's
Actually,
video location because I think I actually saved it in the row video location here, unless it's coming out of this step here. Oh, is it URL? Is it?
yeah.
Ah, right. Okay. So if I image source equals URL.
I also shared a small snippet code for you. You can also try using it if this one didn't work.
Video width equals that. Your fallback goes here.
Yeah, image source. No, image source should be the GIF, I believe, because this is the image.
So image source. Well, surely I would have thought the IMG source is the actual video's playable URL, not So
okay, then it should be video URL, not the row URL. So yeah,
video
select
URL. Okay,
video URL.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Alt equals a video for, and then I want to pass the name in there again, so we can use his name, first name, David. I've got a width 100, max width 600, height auto. Right. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so let's assume that I do that. Let's just now, and the signature. Oh, okay, I can add signatures in if I want to do. I don't need to enter an attachment because it's going to embed it directly.
Yeah, it's embedded already.
Right. Okay. So let's send a test.
Test step.
Oh, God's sake. Right. So.
But because the video is not generated yet, because we just skipped this part.
Yeah.
So you should give it a couple of minutes till the video generates.
True enough. Yeah, true enough. Because actually it's, yeah, okay. So that's everything then, really, isn't it? So then I can just send that data back. So I don't even need to pull the video down.
Exactly. You don't need to pull it and download it and upload it back to the drive and then reshare it.
That's so easier.
That's a good automation you did, but also I think this one will be much easier for you.
Yeah. Okay. That's really cool.
Yeah.
So I don't even need to store the video because it's going to be effectively one time. And then assumably after the video's been sent and I've marked it on my database that it's been sent and maybe even opened, let's say it gets opened, then what I want to do is I want to go to, I'm assuming that there's going to be a limit for how many videos I can have on here, right?
No, there is no, actually. You can generate as much as you want.
Oh, right. Okay. So I can just leave them there. I don't actually need to do anything about that.
Yeah. You don't need to do anything. Just leave the campaign empty and it's going to keep generating.
Okay, great. So that other campaign, then, that one that I did 11 minutes ago, I should just delete that.
Yeah.
And probably these earlier ones as well that I was testing. So if I delete that campaign and just get rid of it, brilliant. And then I can go to, we'll do the sign up campaign. I'll delete that one. I'll do the welcome email course. I'll delete that one. And then that was the welcome campaign that I just played with when I first joined the platform. I'll delete that campaign. Oh, can I not delete that one? Oh, no, it's gone. Okay, cool. Right, grand. So that seems to work really well. So I'm going to test that out now because obviously it's going to take a little while. And in fact, what I should probably do at this point is, because I now know that it's going to do everything, I actually can just turn this one off.
Yeah, and try the other one.
Let's actually try it from the workshop link, which is here. Oh, I've lost you again now. There we go. There we are. And so if I just refresh that page, let's say this time we're going to use Jimi Hendrix. And his email is going to be another one of mine, 191974 plus test 60 at gmail.com. Because what's also happening is it's going into MailerLite as well as the first step. So I need to keep using different test email addresses so I know which ones are mine. Company is Hendrix Guitars. And the workshop location will be in Leeds, and we'll subscribe to that. Bang. Okay, so now what we should have is, there we go. We've got, that's our sheet, date shortened. So now it should be sending that to the Zapier should start to work now. Okay, stopped, halted, 12:23. Oh, that was earlier on today. Oh, I haven't published it. Oh, God's sake. Send video to BHuman and send email to client. So I'm going to need to do it again now because I didn't publish the Zap.
Yeah.
No, hey, listen, I really appreciate your help, by the way. I didn't expect to be getting live support. So I'm sorry if that's not what you intended to do. But
No, it's okay, of course.
I really appreciate it. Right, that's now running. So if I do another instance of this from the website, so there's the site. This time we're going to go first name. We'll go Freddie Mercury. I have my my dead guys, my dead musicians on the wall. So they're who I use for tests.
Yeah.
So this will be Dylan Layton 1974 plus test 65 at gmail.com. And the company will be the Queens. And the workshop location, obviously, is Wakefield this time. So we'll subscribe to that. So we should now be able to see this whole execution doesn't do anything now. So we've just got the workshop sign up running. And that should have updated our sheet, which is here. There we go. There's Freddie. And Zapier should now be running.
Yeah, starting.
Oh, it's not running. Hold on a minute. Wonder why not. Why is that not running?
Are you sure you selected the same spreadsheet?
Yeah.
For the trigger?
Pretty sure. Sometimes coming out and backing can help.
Yeah.
It says it's in use, but I think that just means the Zap is running. Oh, there we go. Waiting, delayed.
Yeah,
So
okay.
now, why is it delayed? Is it because we're waiting for the callback URL to be generated by BHuman?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. So it takes 3 to 5 minutes till it generates, but we just add a 10 minutes delay for in case.
We did. So all being well, that should now run, but I have got all that data still there.
So I think the only error might be if the code you embedded is not working. Then you should use another code specifically for embedding Vimeo videos in an email. I just also sent one to you. It's in the chat or Google Meets. So if this one didn't work, you can also use this one.
This one here. Okay. What's the fallback? Is that the what's the fallback here that it says your fallback goes here? I take it that's the thumbnail.
Yeah, and for the thumbnail, you should use the GIF link, which is Zapier.
With you. Okay, I think I've got that. Hey, we've been joined by CBL Basketball. Hey, man.
Hello.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm going to just keep playing with that and see what happens. So, yeah, really cool. Really like that.
Okay. So, yeah, just test it. And if you face any problems, you can email me. I just typed in my email too.
Have you got Discord, by the way?
Yeah.
Can you just ping me the link to your Discord? I think I might have already joined it, actually. Oh, gosh.
Okay, it's fixed now.
Okay. Can you guys
Okay,
hear me?
so, yeah, we do. Hello.
How we doing?
All
I
right.
had to log in on my phone. Sometimes it doesn't act right for me.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, I haven't actually. Okay. What is the Discord for?
So we actually have BHuman's Discord if you wanna use it, or you can just send me a message directly.
Yeah, I'll
Can
do.
you type in your email?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll share it with you.
There you go. You've got some people joining.
I'll email it to you.
Nice one.
Okay, so hopefully it works. So I'm not sure what's your name, CBL.
I'm Jamar. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
hello, Mark. How are you?
Logged me in as my other.
Yeah, it's okay. So Steve Gordon, it's not your other device, it's someone else, right?
You talking to me?
Yeah, okay. Hello, Steve.
Hi, good
Okay,
morning.
You emailed me already, by the way. 'Cause
yeah,
I've not seen it yet. But maybe it's just a little delayed.
yeah. I think 10 minutes didn't pass.
All right. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
So do you have any specific questions, guys, or how long have you been using BHuman?
I am new. So I just established my account the other day. I just wanted to, go through a couple of things, and I had a couple questions. I guess my first question is, if I wanted to go back and redo my voice,
Yeah.
how would I do that? I didn't see anything that allowed me when I hit edit my profile.
I'm
You mean-
going to jump off, Sherief, by the way, but that was really helpful, man. And I'll be in touch. And assumably you're on the Discord as well, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. I'll also share the username.
Nice one. Yeah, I'll see you there. I'm smooth brain ape, so I'll come and hit you up. All right.
Okay.
Nice one. Catch you in a bit. Cheers,
Bye-bye.
mate.
Bye-bye. Okay, so for the persona, you actually need to delete it and create a new one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you're talking about persona. Also, Steve, sorry, I just saw your message. So what exactly is the error you're facing in setting up leader? Is it connecting your account or?
So yeah, when I create my campaign, and then when I go and look at my campaigns, it says the name of the campaign, and it says type search, and then it says stat error, and it
But
doesn't work.
your account is linked successfully, your LinkedIn account.
It should be.
Is it active when you select it?
I'm not sure what you're.
There is a step, there is a port where you select your account. Is it active there?
Should be. Let me go create a new campaign real fast while you're doing
Okay,
it. So
yeah. But also so the CSV has a specific format. It's like the name and profile URL.
yeah, I was doing a LinkedIn search.
Okay. Okay, so we're using LinkedIn search, not
Yes.
the URL directly. Then you can't use it. If you're using a CSV, you have to either use LinkedIn URL directly, or if you want to use a Sales Navigator link from the beginning and don't bother uploading any CSVs, you can also use it.
Right. So I've been putting in a LinkedIn URL. I'm just going to create. I'm going to do it while we're talking.
You can also share your screen, by the way, so I help you.
All right. Let me do that.
You want.
Sorry, I've been up very early, so I'm not going to put on the camera.
Sure.
Where am I sharing my screen?
You will see a square with an arrow pointing above.
Oh, there you go. Okay. So I'm going to, here's my like the LinkedIn page. All right. So right now, let's say I wanted to real estate agents. Here, I'll do Dubai properties landlords, right?
Yeah.
So this here is the LinkedIn URL, correct? The search.
So no, the search link should be from Sales Navigator. If you don't have a Sales Navigator, then you should have each person's URL. So each profile URL.
Oh God, what a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Um,
So these are the only two formats you can use. Either Sales Navigator search link or like a CSV, a spreadsheet with, let's say, 10 names and their 10 profiles links.
okay. Okay, so I have I had run searches for probably thousands of the right people.
Yeah.
I have them. I just don't know how to pull those. So if I go to like my network,
So I think you should use like a platform or a website for scraping those profiles, let's say, so you can extract the URLs. I don't know one personally, but a lot of users use it. So it
Okay.
extracts for them the profile URLs with the names. So you can just upload it and send them the messages.
Okay. So if I'm going to, let me go back to share my screen a second and change the screen. Share my screen. So if I go here, you're saying I either have to put in one URL at a time?
Yeah, or select upload CSV.
Yeah.
Then you should upload a CSV or a spreadsheet. So this might be the error. Also, can you select your account to see if it's active or not? You add your account. Yeah, it's active. Okay. Yeah, it's active.
Okay. And then it's just the two of us on here, right?
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, that's just the two of us.
Yeah.
So I don't want to take all the time, but the other issue that I'm trying to understand is if I go to my BHuman page and I have my persona,
Yeah.
right? So I created two personas.
Oh, okay.
But it's taking a long time. In terms of the knowledge base, I'm just trying to train it to be more and more conversational.
Yeah.
You have any suggestions?
So you should actually just keep adding data, sheets, or just blocks of text regarding the information you want to train it with.
And we would put that where? In the strategic dialogue?
In the knowledge base. Yeah, so in the knowledge base, you just keep adding training data. Yeah, it can be URL, it can be an attachment, or just text.
Okay.
And also you have the part where it says, let me check. Yeah, so you just keep adding the data from here.
So if I go to text, then my main domain URL is just my BHuman plus my name.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the text, you just keep adding whatever information you want to train the persona with.
Okay. So I could just give this like new data, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what I call it. Got it. Okay. Thank you.
And also, just to follow up on that question, the knowledge base, where can I find that on the persona? Because I see AI Studio, persona, leader, and then it says.
Yeah, so if you go to persona and create a new one, you will just, yeah, after it's active, you will see this partition where you can add your knowledge base, or you can add instructions. How would you like the persona to end the conversation with the person?
Yeah,
Maybe
I did that.
a
Yeah, I
meeting.
did that. I just wanted to add more, like you were just saying. So just go in there, and I can't go into the old one to add that.
You can if it's already active. So the persona takes 24 hours to generate. So if it's
Okay.
already active, you can go back and add it.
Got it. Okay. All right, great. Thank you.
You're welcome. So do you have any other questions, guys?
When we're doing adding the training data, can I just do one line at a time, like line, or should I just do one at a time? One at a time.
You
on
can
the
do
text?
both, actually. You can just add a block of text or one line.
All right. So like right now I have, let me just share my screen with you a second. Because I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Okay. So here, if I say I'm seeking to hire new real estate agents for my team. Now, if I want to add another thing, do I just put a period here? Or just go to the next line.
Just go to the next line. Enter. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'll also share in my email if you face any more problems. I also share the YouTube channel. So let me share it once again. It has a lot of like walkthroughs and more information.
All right. Thank you. I think I'm good for now.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
me-
So if you face any further problems, you can just shoot me an email.
Okay, great.
So
Thank you.
you're welcome. Bye-bye.